guys, so today I'm opening my Wantable style box. The box is $20 a month, and that goes towards whatever you keep. If you don't keep anything, then you just lost out on $20. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you're first opening it up. They do send you a bag if you're gonna send things back, and then you just pay for what you're keeping minus the $20. This is what I got in my box, so yeah, let's dig right in. Was the only outfit I kept. Sorry, I forgot to keep the prices for everything.
Coming from Jace.